An angel stands with 1 foot on land and 1 foot on water, pouring liquid from one golden cup into another with impossible precision. A glowing path leads from the pool behind her toward a distant mountain crowned with a rising sun. Temperance is harmony in motion, balance achieved not by stillness but by continual conscious adjustment. She is integration, healing, and the alchemy that unites opposites. The angel herself is the central symbol. Her white robe signifies purity of intention, while the triangle within the square on her chest symbolizes spirit harmonized with matter. She is neither purely divine nor earthly. She is the mediating force that reconciles extremes. Her wings, brilliant red, represent passion made sacred, fire transformed into protection rather than impulsiveness. Her calm expression shows mastery born of inner equilibrium. The act of pouring between cups is the first supporting symbol. The liquid flows at an unreal angle, defying gravity. This represents alchemy, transformation occurring beyond ordinary logic. It signifies the blending of conscious and unconscious, emotion and reason, desire and restraint. Temperance teaches that healing and integration arise when we allow energies to mingle rather than split into binaries. The second symbol is her stance, 1 foot on land, 1 in water. Land represents the practical world of structure, responsibility, and clarity. Water represents emotion, intuition, and the fluidity of inner experience. By bridging both, she embodies balance between her inner and outer life. She teaches that wholeness requires attending to both realms without losing oneself in either. The third supporting symbol is the golden path leading toward the mountains and sunrise. This path signifies spiritual evolution, growth that comes through steady, moderate steps rather than drastic action. The distant sun represents illumination, purpose, and higher consciousness. Temperance is the journey towards integration, not its endpoint. The fourth symbol is the irises blooming at the water's edge. Associated with the goddess Iris, messenger of the gods, these flowers symbolize communication between realms, inner truth expressed outwardly, and divine guidance manifested gently in daily life. They are the bridge between inspiration and embodiment. The fifth symbol is the radiant halo around the angel's head, shining like the midday sun. This light represents clarity born of balance, consciousness refined through harmony. It shows that moderation is not dilution, but illumination. Together, these symbols reveal temperance as the archetype of inner alignment, patience, harmony, healing, integration. She teaches that transformation is subtle, ongoing, and rooted in the courageous act of keeping energies in relationship with one another. In readings, temperance signifies healing, moderation, integration, cooperation, and spiritual refinement. It advises patience, steady progress, emotional regulation, and the blending of differences into harmony. Its counsel: adjust gently, trust balance, and allow things to unfold gradually. Its shadow warns against imbalance, excess, rigidity, or avoidance of needed change. Temperance teaches that wholeness arises drop by drop through the sacred art of balancing what lives within us.